let us understand what is biomechanic. Biomechanic is a branch of bioengineering. Okay. And this is a science of forces. This is the science of forces. And the mechanism is a word, means how a system works. That is called mechanism. And bio means the life force or the power, life energy. That's called bio. So how this bioenergy works in the body and what is the mechanism, you will study in this section, in this part. Okay. So basically, biomechanics is the study of forces and their effects on the living system. And that was presented by Herbert Hetche in 1974. And that was introduced to the sports people and in athletics, because they have to use, the forces. Even when you practice an asana, then you must understand how much force you have to generate in an asana. Okay. And if you will generate more force, then that may injure the ligaments, that may injure the tendons, right? So you have to generate that much force and you have to apply that force in the muscles area. Why you generate the force? What you call locomotion. So the locomotion is based on the biomechanism. All the movements related things. So from in the cellular being to an organism, there is single cellular being, amoeba. Okay. That has also energy. And like we have cell, right? So cell also uses the biomechanism. Even you are sitting, but your body has force. You're not moving, but your body has force. Your body is generating force. Just by sitting in Vajrasana, you generate a specific force. And that force, that power, that energy is used for different purposes, right? If you are just standing in a tree posture, but there are a lot of things happening inside, because that creates a specific force. So whether you are moving or you are static, but that is always happening. Is clear? So every cell generates a force, a kind of force, and that is used for specific purposes. So there are some automated and there are some what you call voluntarily and involuntarily. You generate force voluntarily by, generating force by pushing something, right? But when you don't create the force through your muscles, through your joints, then in that case also the force is happening. Okay. So there is mechanism which is always working in the body. So entirely this is called biomechanism. Clear?